Hello, hello, hello. This is Catherine Gage, also KGbeautywithin, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. I want to say hello and welcome to my channel. And tonight I have a very special guest. I have my hubby babe who's going to be going over our MK skincare line. And I thought, what better person to have than my hubby babe?
Hello everyone, I'm Frederick, her hubby babe.
Thank you so much for being a part of this tonight, honey. I do appreciate you.
My pleasure.
I also want to say thank you for being one of my greatest fans. You always support me and I appreciate that. And thank you for my beautiful vanity that you blessed me with on Mother's Day.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So tonight we're going to do, without any further preliminaries, we're going to go with our skincare line. And our skincare line consists of our MK Daily Facial Wash. We also have a shaving foam. We have an advanced facial hydrator with sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 30. And we also have a men's eye cream. So these are the items we're going to be trying tonight. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cleanse our face. We're going to slightly dampen his face first so that he can get the daily wash on. Now he likes to use our skin invigorating brush, and I like to call it a spin brush. So we're going to use this bad baby tonight because this is one of his favorite parts of his skincare routine. So we're going to wet this. Take that facial wash and just put it on, right on, directly on. Now the spin brush or skin invigorating brush is what you'll use when you want a deep cleanse. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to try our shaving foam. So what we did tonight is that I thought I'd let him try another brand which is called Barbers Barbasol and our MK shave foam, to see if he can tell a difference, see which one he likes the best, and see if he can tell a difference. So what we're gonna do is do this one first. I'm gonna put this on one side, probably that side over there, and put the other one on this side. Ours on the other side. You want to shave with that one first, and you'll just shave with both of them?
I'll just go ahead and do both of them.
Okay.
This one on this side comes off a lot more cleaner and smoother here.
Does it?
Yeah. It goes on a lot more smoother.
Okay.
You can really tell the difference. The Marykayus gel goes on much smoother and
Okay.
feels fresher and it comes off much easier and looks cleaner.
Wow, it does look clean. Wow. Let me see the other side. Oh yeah. Oh wow. I can definitely tell the difference on that.
Should get it off.
Make sure we get it up. Wow. Look at that. I can definitely tell. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Wow.
That's a big difference, guys.
Our next step is our advanced facial hydrator. It has a sunscreen, broad spectrum, SPF 30. And you're gonna take this and just put this all over your face. You just need this in like a peace sign. Put it all over your face.
Yeah, it's feels smooth and relaxing.
Does it?
Yeah.
Wow, it looks good too. And our last step is going to be our advanced eye cream. And what I normally do is I take this and put this in the ring finger. Put one on each side. And the reason why you want to use your ring finger is because your eyes is very delicate, and your ring fingers give you less pressure in your eyes. You want to? I normally take it and just go all the way around, on up to my brow. Now get in your eye. Dab it on this. Dab, dab, dab. So that's our MK men's skincare line, and we also have colognes that we also have other things for men. We have colognes as well. This right here is our high intensity ocean.
It feels just like being out on the ocean.
Good.
Yes.
Ooh, that smells sexy. And we also have a sports. This one's a high intensity sports. Look at, don't y'all just love the packaging in the bottle? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is just so cute. How does it smell, baby? Let me spray it on.
Yeah, go ahead. Smells nice and romantic.
Oh. Yes. That smells good. I like that one too, baby. I just want to say thank you so much for being my special guest tonight. And we're so happy to bring this to you. And I think I'm going to have you as my special guest again, because I just love how you are just always here for me, and I just really do appreciate this time just to, you know, spend some time with you and let you try on our men's skincare. And just so thank you so much. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Man, I'm part of the team.
Oh, Team Gage, that's us. Alright, this is Catherine Gage, also KGbeautywithin, Marykayus Independent Beauty Consultant. And I just want to say thank you all for being a part of my channel. Thank you for being my subscribers. And thank you, my HubbyBabe, for being a part of my team. We call ourselves Team Gage. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting on. We are always here for you, bringing you tips and trends and skincare. And if they haven't hit that subscribe button, what they need to do, baby?
Subscribe.
You heard my HubbyBabe. You need to hit that subscribe button. Thank you all. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Bye.